Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and containerize a Node app with Docker. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Docker installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your Node app. Navigate to that directory. Initialize a new Node project with the command npm init-y. Create an index.js file using your preferred text editor. In the index.js file, add a simple HTTP server code. For example, you can use const http equals require http const server equals http.createserver req res equals res.statuscode equals 200 res.setHeader content type text/plain res.end hello world. Next, create a Docker file in the same directory. Open the Docker file and start with the base image from Node 14. Set the working directory inside the container using the command workdir/usr/src/app. Copy the package.json and packagelock.json files into the container with copy package_.json. Install the app dependencies by adding run npm install. Now, copy the rest of your application code into the container with copy. Expose the port your app will run on with expose 3000. Finally, define the command to run your app using cmd node index.js. Save and close the Docker file. Build your Docker image by navigating back to your terminal and running docker build tmynode app. Once the build is complete, you can run your container with docker run p3000:3000 mynode app. Your Node app should now be running in a Docker container. Open your browser and visit http://localhost 3000 to see your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.